Good morning, everyone. This is DailyChilli. This is episode 39, and today I'm just gonna be very quick. It's a very rainy day, and I just want to say one of the feedbacks from these couple of days, and it's more like us to be grateful. So I just want to say thanks. In the last couple of days, I met some people, new people. I hope they become friends. So yesterday, this week, I started to join ping pong training. It's every day, twice a week, and I met a couple of people, very interesting people. And I just want to say thanks for that. So today's password for my daily journal is friends. Okay, so from rainy Shanghai, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.